Hey everyone, welcome back on this YouTube channel, Tarang Academy Homeopathy. So today I am back with a very good news. Now you can purchase Dr. Sujitra Nikam's Homeopathic Lectures in a very proper way. Now you can understand the homeopathic materia medica in easy way, organon lectures, and as well as the very basic question which every budding homeopath has in mind. So now you can get everything in a very proper manner. You have to download the app Tarang Academy by the Play Store, or you can download the app by given link in the description box below. If you purchase this product, use the code Tarang20 and you will get 20% discount now. So just do it as soon as possible. You will get access to all the videos by Dr. Nikam in a proper manner. Thank you so much. Do not forget to watch free demo on topic sulfur.